Everyone at the college will need to set up multi-factor authentication using the Microsoft Authenticator app on a phone or tablet. A phone number can also be used to receive a text message or voice call for authentication. This video will guide you through the process of setting up and using the Microsoft Authenticator app. In this example, we will use a web browser to access Commons and a phone app for authentication.
From the cvtc.edu website, click the Commons logo. You will receive a notice that more information is required. Make sure your CVTC email address is shown, and click the Next button. As instructed, download the Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile device from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Type Microsoft Authenticator in the search bar. Double-check that the correct app is being selected. The developer should be Microsoft Corporation. Open the app and tap to accept any agreements and data usage notices. If prompted, tap to allow notifications and permission to use the camera. Tap the Scan a QR code button. Return to the web page and click the Next button. Using your phone, scan the QR code that is shown on the web page. The web page will show a 2-digit number. Type this number into the app and then tap Yes. If prompted, sign into your phone with Finger or Face ID or your passcode. The web page will show Notification Approved for the Microsoft Authenticator app. Click the Next button to continue. Your phone is now linked to your Microsoft account for multi-factor authentication. Click the Done button to continue.
You will need to provide multi-factor authentication for each college resource you access. This will include web applications such as Outlook, Teams, OneDrive, Word, Banner, and Canvas. Some college applications installed on desktops, laptops, and mobile devices will also need to be authenticated. This is the process for using the phone app for authentication.
When prompted, enter your CVTC email address and password. The Microsoft Authentication screen will be displayed with a 2-digit number. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. Type the 2-digit number and tap Yes. You will be directed to the web page or application you are opening. The authentication screen may time out if there is a delay in opening the Authenticator app. If this happens, there are a couple of options. Click or tap the link to send another request to my Microsoft Authenticator app. This will prompt the sign-in box to appear in the Authenticator app for you to enter the 2-digit code. If the sign-in box does not appear in the app, click or tap the Enter Security Code link. In the Microsoft Authenticator app, tap the Chippewa Valley Technical College account. A one-time password code is displayed in the app. This code is regenerated every 30 seconds. Return to the authentication screen and enter the 6-digit code. Click the Verify button. You will be directed to the web page or application you are opening.
It is a good idea to provide at least 2 methods for authentication. The authentication methods can be added and managed in your Microsoft account.
Navigate to the link on the screen, or click your profile picture, then the View Account link, and then the Security Info navigation item. Click the Add Sign-in Method option. Select an authentication method to add to your account. Phone will allow a code to be sent through a text message or a phone call. The additional phone and office phone are available with a phone call.
Your sign-in was successful.
The default authentication method can be selected by clicking the Change link. Select the default method from the list and click the Confirm button. To remove an authentication method, click the Delete link and the OK button to confirm.
For more information and detailed instructions, search Microsoft Authenticator in the knowledge base at kb.cvtc.edu.